Hello there, you lovely people. I have finally decided to upgrade from my BoboVR M3 Pro. So I have bought myself the not so new S3 Pro. Let's see what comes in the box, shall we? Just as the M3 Pro, the S3 Pro also comes with one of these honeycomb pads. Is anyone using this? I think I'm starting to see why this one costs so much more than the M3 Pro, but I'm gonna come back to all these in a minute. So of course we get one of the new B100 batteries included in the package. However, I would recommend getting another one so you can have virtually infinite playtime, charging one while using the other. Keep in mind though, if you are like me and upgrading from the M3 Pro, the battery that comes with the M3 Pro is not compatible with the S3 Pro. The installation process should be pretty simple. You just slide the old one off and you slide the new one right back on it. Just like many Halo style head straps, tightening is done by turning the dial at the back. Pressing the button on the side of the V100 battery will show you how much charge is left in it. So one of the most obvious changes is the little LCD screen on the side. This screen shows the battery percentage and also shows the power level of the fan. Yes, the fan. They are also treating our foreheads with a little fan this time. This little fan can actually help those people a lot who are prone to having motion sickness, as it helps with the sweating. It also helps preventing the lenses fogging up. But even if you don't get any of those issues, it just feels pretty good in the summer.